JavaScript, it's dope for beginners, and let me tell you why. Don't get me wrong, you judgmental fucks. I like all sorts of languages as well. But don't be a fanboy, be a mad lad. 3 reasons why JavaScript is dope as fuck for beginners. Go. Reason uno, amuno, ajugo. It fully fucking loves you, man, and it'll nurture you. All those other glorious and strongly typed languages, they treat you like a bitch. Oh, you forgot the semicolon? Get fucked. JavaScript fucking nurtures you. Just go for it, dude. Forget about the semicolon. Who needs one? You want to throw a function inside a function? Doesn't worry me. Go for it, mate. You want to add a property to an object on the go? Just fucking do it, my beautiful little sunflower. Do you. Reason number 2. It's quick to get going. Who the fuck wants to learn about compilers, classes, inheritance, polymorphization, interfaces? Who the fuck wants to learn about all that shit before they even start to fucking code? With JavaScript, you put it in your browser and you just refresh it. You just get going. It just starts. You just begin. No fucking around. You see it straight away. JavaScript is the language of the web. So it's immediately useful. You don't start coding in JavaScript and boom, there it is. The big scary black console box, ready to take your life away and destroy you in ways you cannot imagine. No, instead, you get a little browser. You've refreshed the browser, you try again. It's what you've known, it's what you've been doing all this time, searching on the web, learning how to program, figuring out where I should start. It's in the same fucking place. You can just get fucking started. That's pretty good. Let me tell you one more reason. Reason number 3. So much documentation and so many libraries and so much help is out there on the web for JavaScript. Trust me on this one. If you can't find an answer to a problem that you found in your JavaScript programming, you're just not fucking Googling it enough. Maybe in another video I'll show you how to Google. Just try Googling and I bet you'll find a fuckload out there. It will blow your mind. My mind's blown. Let's blow our minds together. You wouldn't believe how many times that I've had to just say, hey, have you Googled that? No, you haven't Googled it? Oh, fuck. Whoa, let me type that in. Oh, first answer. Click. Oh, there it is. Fuck. JavaScript. Overwhelming amount of libraries. Overwhelming amount of documentation. Overwhelming community aspect. I don't think there is a larger community in the programming community than the JavaScript one. I'll end with this. JavaScript and other weakly typed languages. I like to think of them like Play-Doh or putty. Something that you can easily mold into the shape that you want, into the finished product that you desire. Easily to get started, but you can quickly develop something quite like what you had imagined in your mind. But strongly typed languages like C#, Visual Basic, C++, the rest of them, they're more like building with Legos. You can still build fantastic, beautiful structures with it. It just takes a little bit more time, a little bit more piecing each thing together. There are more rules, it's more rigid, but that comes with benefits as well. Now, regardless if you choose JavaScript or if you choose another weakly typed language or another strongly typed language like C#, you can still create fantastic, beautiful, creative, magnificent things that only you can think of and directly manifest into this world on your own, just through your fingers and just through your mind. Completely creative, completely fulfilling, and so rewarding. Peace out, you fantastic glimmering blossoms. Like and subscribe if you want to see the tiniest watermelon in the world. I know I do, and I know I will. See you next time. Maybe we'll delve deeper into JavaScript, or maybe just delve deeper into the cesspool that is programming in general. I don't know. Fuck off and have a great one. See ya.